Hey everyone, I just received a package from Crossway. So I'm going to do an unboxing and see what this is. I don't actually know, but I suspect I know. But we'll see. We will see what this is. Of course, I will be doing a review. So this is not going to have all the review information. I like to spend time with them first and find that information. I probably should just open it right here. And then spend time with it, and do all the things. I don't even know how to open boxes. I have trouble opening boxes. What in the world? We'll just do it right here. There's probably an easier way, but I never do things the easy way. That's not me. Let's get that out of there. It's going to be the stuff. All right, let's see what we have here. ESV Heirloom Bible Alpha Edition. So it is what I thought it was. I've never seen this, so I don't even know what it looks like inside. Comes in a sturdy box. That is an elegant little box. A card printed in silver. Felt, wrapped in felt. So that's nice. I like that. And then there's the Bible. Small little hand size. It's smaller than I expected. I actually didn't know what to expect. I haven't really looked into what it is. So let's see what we have here. Wellington leather, brown. So that is Wellington leather. It's smooth. Definitely feels like leather. Edge lined. And there's our text. So it's a little hand size text only edition. Well, text only plus footnotes. Double column, paragraph. Let's see if it's red letter or not. It's black letter. So that's very readable. I like that. So let's see what all we have back here. Maps. Table of weights and measures. So quite a few maps. Oh, quite a few in sheets. These give it structure. These are matte finish. And then the maps are the semi-gloss. Yeah, that's a good looking Bible. I like that. An ESV from Crossway. So I'll spend some time with this and come back and do a full review. It does feel like premium paper. Let's see where it's made. All the family information in the front. One of these days I'm going to fill one of those out. Let's see. Printed in the Netherlands. My favorite printers in the world. So yeah, that's a good looking Bible. Compact, easy to hold and carry. I like that. That's nice and sharp. So I will use this for a little bit and come back with a full review. And my thanks to Crossway for sending this in exchange for an honest review. So be looking for the review coming soon. Thanks.